On tonight's episode, we're going to talk about Chris and Elemnt RC TRDero.
Yes.
We also got something cool to show you as well. So stay tuned.
Thunder out there.
It knows this show is
It's episode 20 is
here.
Struck lightning.
No, welcome.
Episode 23.
Episode 23.
Urge Weekly.
Oh,
Urge Weekly.
no. It's the Elemnt RC Hobbies Show. Everyone knows that. So let's pull some clips off here and see what we got. Oh, yeah, I'll pull the front.
Welcome to episode 24.
24, Elemnt RC Hobbies Show. Turn your head around. Welcome. Car Club to get you a little bit more information if you wanted to start out in on-road racing.
Episode 36.
Welcome. He's Chris.
I'm Aaron.
I'm just gonna go with it. I'm done. I'm done trying to correct it.
Episode 38.
Welcome. He's Chris.
He's Aaron.
Hey, you got
Drift missile.
Grandpa's Drift Missile. There we go.
Pretty good.
That's gonna be the hashtag for this build. Grandpa's Drift Missile. There we go.
Feels good.
She'll slide. Episode 42.
Episode 42.
Welcome. He's Chris.
Aaron.
Or Aaron.
Aaron.
Whatever you're
If you done messed up.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Episode 43.
Welcome.
I'm gonna check though.
Bumblebee Tuna. Episode 77.
Pretty sure.
He's got a check.
I'm 90% certain, but there was this one time when we said it was 34, but it was really 44. So, yeah, that was a thing. We're good. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Lost my pizzazz now. Welcome.
Okay. On tonight's episode, we got a
First
bunch
of
of
all,
stuff.
this is Aaron, in case you didn't know.
Oh, I was told I'm not good enough for the show anymore. So I've been told by the fans I'm gonna get cut. So
No, Aaron's not going anywhere. I'm leaving.
So
See you later.
Chris is the one that does all the work. And
No, I
I'm
don't
just
do
gonna
anywhere.
get cut.
I do is drive RCs, man.
Yeah, but welcome. Episode 77,
Wow.
Elemnt RC Hobbies Show.
Bumblebee Tuna.
Tonight, we're going to talk about Elemnt RC TRDero.
Yes.
Chris was out in Regina.
Yes, I was.
And he did actually quite well. So I heard you won an event.
I won a weight pull. I pulled 16 pounds with this bad boy.
And it's only brushed.
And it's only brushed with a 12-turn Titan. I
Yikes.
took on all the brushless guys. I even beat out my old TRX. So that was awesome.
Not bad.
Yeah, I went out to
Pretty
Regina for the Beachn RC. It was his first annual fun run. So we went out to Wascana Park, and we spent about like 6 or 7 hours there.
Not
and
bad.
We did some trailing, we did a weight pull, we had a few prizes, I won a few things. It was a good time.
Very nice. Very nice. So do you have some footage of that?
I do.
Well, then let's show the viewers some footage, my friend.
Ready?
Yeah.
We'll give it a gallant try, right?
And he's on the wheel.
So yeah, that was Chris's epic TRDero footage
Yeah.
from Beachn RC. So thank you, Mikey, for hosting that event.
Yeah, it was a good event.
We hope to do more events similar to that in the near future.
My only comment on the event was the trails at Wascana are very boring. There isn't very much to do on them besides they cover a long distance. They're mainly for mountain bikers and stuff. But that was my only thing. Besides that, it was a great turnout and great event.
We're pretty fortunate, though.
Yeah,
I mean,
along the river,
that's
Deep
the hard
Maker
part
and
with
stuff.
the river,
Like
yeah.
we have some great trails
Yeah.
up and down the river.
There we go.
But yeah,
There we go. So, I guess we can do a recap of my end of the weekend.
Yeah.
Because you just went to Regina.
Yeah.
And back. Like, our weekend, since you shafted us, it was his Saturday to work, but he didn't work. So, Friday afternoon, we were with Rad Racing and Development, testing their Pro Late model out at the Wine Coupe Raceway. That is an Ultra RC Hobbies sponsored vehicle. So that was 2 thumbs up. So we were out there. We went to the Huntington's wedding.
Yeah.
Congratulations to Chandra and Brian on, tying the knot. Saturday, we were out at the Wine Coupe Raceway again. Well, I was anyway, while everyone else was running the store. So, wasn't here. That ended up kind of interesting. We'll show you a clip of that here in 2 secs. And then Sunday, we were out at the track. Well, I wasn't, but a whole bunch of other people were. So it was just an RC full weekend. It was crazy. Ridiculous.
I slept Sunday. Sunday was a relax day and cleaning RC day.
I laid bricks.
Yeah.
I was over it. But, yeah. But let's talk about something super cool. Actually, no. I'll show you a clip first of how our night ended on Saturday.
Yeah.
From Rad Racing Development. So here's the clip. You ready?
Yeah.
So, Chris.
Yes.
We got some cool stuff.
Oh, we do.
What did we get?
Shirts.
Did we?
We did.
Okay.
They're
let's-
Ultra.
Let's show the people. So, some Ultra swag.
Ooh.
So, we're going to have t-shirts small to triple XL. But, we're going to throw a little bit of a kicker here. There's a couple limited edition ones. And what I mean by limited edition is this is the front. So, you see, it's the standard old Ultra RC Hobbies
Standard
logo.
front.
But on the back,
Not so standard back.
we got the Team Ultra RC Hobbies logo. So pricing on the shirts for just a regular old t-shirt,
$79.95.
not quite, but
Oh.
good try. Small to extra large is $22 plus taxes. The double XL and triple XL are going to be $25, and the super limited edition Team Ultra RC Hobby shirts are going to be $27. So there's only going to be a couple in each size
available.
of the Team Ultra RC Hobby shirts. So please let me know down in the comments. Shoot me a private message on Facebook or him a private message, and he can just forward them to me. What sizes you want, and if there's any Team Ultra ones available. We should have the shirts on Saturday for the majority of people that pre-ordered. If you don't follow us on Facebook, you probably should, because you would have seen this post all the way back on Tuesday. So you should probably go head over to the Facebook page and like that as well.
Yes.
But I think after this crazy weekend of RC and goodness, I think that's it. I think this is the end.
Of what?
Episode number 77, my friend.
I thought you meant this is the end of RC and goodness. I'm like, no! No!
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. So, it's the end of episode 77 of the Ultra RC Hobby Show. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.
Hit the bell so you get notifications when we drop new videos. Don't forget to head over to all his social media channels. So, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube,
Yes.
RC Deebs. Don't forget to hit him up on Snapchat, DJ Deebert. Don't forget to check out our website, www.ultrarchobbies.com. Don't forget to check out all of our social media stuff, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Ultra RC Hobbies. Talking about YouTube, we want to say thank you. We just hit 250 subs on YouTube, so we're getting there.
Yeah.
Road to 300.
And I
Here
just
we
hit
come.
150 on my page the other day.
Attaboy, attaboy. So we're slowly climbing the ladder. We're going to hit, 300 here pretty soon, and then it's going to be the goal of 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and then
10,000.
1,000. You missed 1,000, my friend. Too many zeros.
I would just go right to 10.
True, but too many zeros. Too many zeros. So, from all of us at Elemnt RC Hobbies, Chris, Aaron, the camera guy Chuck, we really do appreciate you guys watching. And thank you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.